Friends, I've already removed the deck, and this particular layer I poured yesterday, you see. Here it is, still somewhat soft though. This is exactly how the steins look when they are made out of polystyrene concrete. Flooded, at an average daily temperature, notably around precisely 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. You can clearly see the layers, how I was pouring them all along. Day after day I was pouring, somewhere the last layer remained in place. Here I was topping it up again. Consequently, it has been standing there for about 3 days now, and it's starting to take shape. This particular layer has been standing there now for about 5 days. It's already quite sturdy, quite solid indeed. The layer lying beneath has been standing there for about a whole week. And at the bottom here I have concrete poured. It's already totally hard and set. It's already been about a week and a half, as you can see. The life expectancy of this particular wall right now. This is exactly how polystyrene concrete looks after the deck's removal. This is how it looks after deck removal. Now here's what I will pour, weather permitting, down to sub-zero temperatures, as long as the cold holds. Right now, I am only pouring ordinary concrete for the time being. Oh, up close, you can take a closer look for yourself and judge the texture. Granules sit on top of the surface. It shines a bit. Yesterday this layer did. That's it. Okay. Today we have sunshine. The weather is the kind of weather, by the way, the kind that I would say might be even better than being hot, and you keep watering steadily and regularly. It ripens gradually, and it is returning to normal. In other words, the humidity is high now, it is raining, the humidity remains high. That is, it ripens in a truly natural manner, beneath the autumn sun, with the sun's light mingling in. With moisture, this is how it looks, as you can plainly see so clearly now.